Welcome to our step-by-step guide on creating your very first Copilot agent. We'll walk you through the quick and easy process of bringing your AI assistant to life using Copilot Studio. First things first, sign in to the Copilot Studio platform to get started. Once logged in, locate and select the Create Agent button to begin the setup. Now, let's configure the essential details for your new agent. Give your agent a clear, descriptive name, such as HR Helper, and specify its intended function. Select an icon that visually represents your agent's role to make it easily recognizable. You can choose to start with a prompt-based creation or use an existing template to jumpstart development. Let's watch a dynamic demonstration of this process in action. Watch as the agent name, Create HR Helper Agent, is quickly typed in. The agent icon instantly appears, accompanied by captivating sparkling effects. The Create button pulses with energy, waiting for the final tap to initiate the agent build. A triumphant success checkmark appears, exploding into celebratory confetti. Your first agent is live in seconds, ready to start assisting your team. That's how simple it is to get your AI Copilot agent up and running. You now have a powerful, personalized tool to automate tasks and boost efficiency. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll show you how to further develop and train your new agent.